Hey RoseBudz, welcome back to my channel. And today we have Thanksgiving leftovers. I'm about to show you guys. I don't have that much room. I can't wait till I get my table. I will be purchasing that on Monday for Cyber Monday. But look here, my mom made whose mom makes leftovers, turkey leftovers, right? And make it into soup. Who does that? Only my mom. I don't know if y'all moms do that, but my mom does that. And honestly, it's delicious. But I had other plans for the turkey, but it didn't come out that way. So she used up all the rest of the turkey to make the soup, which is okay. So I can't wait to try that. I already know how it tastes, but can't wait to try that. And then we got this plate right here, which is okay. So we got the mac and cheese. I got some cucumbers. I have some asparagus here. This right here is stuffing. This right here is pork sisig. If you're Filipino, you would know. And this is it was candied yams because it had the marshmallow on top. This is so good. It's like a pie, but not, you know, so good. Oh, and the apple pie is mixed in with it too. I just saw a slice. Yeah, you see the apple pie crust? Oh, yeah. We're gonna work here. We are going to work here. Oh yeah, let me not forget to mention the coldest water bottle. Links are down below. Actually, right now, if you order $50 or more, it's free shipping. And then use the code blackout for 20% off. So go and grab you a half gallon, 64 ounce. They come in, the one with this lid right here, it comes in white. Right now they only have white. And the one with the spout, the lip, like you could, there's a straw. That one comes in oceanic mint. So pretty colors. I got the white, and then I ordered me separate straws because this one didn't come with the straw. So this is actually my second half gallon for today. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And I got one of my babies here. We're gonna use it, I think, in the soup. Because my mom, honestly, she doesn't use that much seasonings. My dad isn't allowed to have that much salt in his foods anyways. But I love me some spice. See those Tabasco? The turkey. I don't know what this is. It looks like rice. That is not rice. I'm gonna use my spoon. This is not rice. It's like, I don't even know what that is. The Tabasco in it. The carrots. The celery. By the way, I made more coffee. I've been editing all day, all morning. I already recorded one video that's gonna come out after this one. This video should be coming out today. Today's Saturday. Spice. No, I got that cucumber. Stuffing has mushroom, peas, onion, garlic, my mom put kielbasa sausages in it, which is right here. You guys be chilling today. Hubby not coming this weekend. You know. He has to work on computer stuff, you know. Sometimes you just want to be home. Pork sausage. Like pork intestines, and then with peppers, onion, and garlic. Let's get this mac and cheese in here. I made the mac. I'm gonna say this, that it's bomb, but I saw a whole bunch of YouTube videos, people that I normally watch, and they put breadcrumb on top. I don't really like that idea, unless I do it a different way, where, because I baked it, and yet, I guess because the mac and cheese is so moist, it is creamy, that the breading gets soaked up. Now, if I like saute it, just the breadcrumbs with butter or something like that, so it can become crunchy. By the way, asparagus. And then put it on top. Maybe. I don't know if I'll try that next time anyways. I'll probably just make it normally how I make it. Straight up cheese on top of cheese on top of cheese and noodles. And I have a secret ingredient in there too, but I'm not gonna tell you. Coffee. So good. I don't put sugar in it. I just like plain coffee, and I put milk. I've used almond milk. You guys, I don't drink cow milk anymore. It's just nasty. I don't like the way it tastes. Sitting like an Asian right now. One knee up. The baps go. Excuse me. Oh. That means I did what did I do? I did a poll. I did a poll on my Instagram, Facebook story. Well, Instagram story, not my Instagram. While we're eating too, but whatever. Question of the day was about public bathrooms. Are you want to A, clean the toilet before and after you use it? I'm talking about public restrooms. Clean the toilet before and after you use it. Rather not use the toilet. Create a mess and don't clean it up. And then create a mess and clean it up. So, on my Facebook page, 2 people commented. They said they would just rather not use the bathroom. Then on my Instagram, on my IG stories, I didn't get my Facebook stories, but whatever. Instagram stories. So, 6 people said they will clean the toilet before and after they use it. 10 people said that they would rather not use the toilet. 5 people said they would create a mess and don't clean it up. Y'all nasty. And 1 person said, create a mess and clean it up. You know, because sometimes we have accidents. Yeah, you better clean up after yourself. And first of all, why would you rather not use the bathroom? Like, if your bladder is full, I don't care what age you are. If your bladder is full and you need to use the restroom, I think you should just go. You know, you don't have to like you don't have to sit directly on the toilet, because not most places have the paper. You know, the paper that covers the toilet seat. And also, not all places, when they do have a good brand of the paper. There's some places that like you can, you know, you can sit on the paper and it won't stick to you. Then there's paper that will stick to your behind. And that's horrible. Like, public bathrooms, meaning in any public place, right? Like, a public place of business should be able to afford good toilet um toilet paper and toilet paper for the toilet. You know what I'm saying? But I'm one of the people that clean the toilet before and after I use it. Yeah, you don't know me? I'm gonna let you know me. Let you know what I do. I bring a cleaning spray everywhere I go. Now, in my place of business, the place that I work, most of the time, the cleaning person leaves cleaning sprays in the bathroom because they know it's not just me. There's a couple of ladies in there that do what I do. And I'm thankful for those ladies because they smart. I love a lady that, and I'm not gay or anything, I'm just saying, like, I respect the lady. Respect a woman that knows how to clean up, you know what I mean, before and after they use the bathroom. Even when they eat, like, you could tell, like, okay, they come into the break room and they clean the table first. Everything is set up nicely, like me, like how I do. And then you sit down and eat, and then you clean up after yourself. Even if you didn't make a mess, you still clean up after yourself. Okay, there's just manners. But the bathroom situation, the cleaning person would leave sprays, but I always carry mine. Spray, wipe with the tissue, and I do it 2 times. And this is mainly the reason why I take long in the bathroom. And you know what? Honestly, I don't care, because my health is first. It doesn't matter. If I need to use the restroom, I'm gonna go use the restroom. That's why I don't get, like, when people don't use the bathroom when they really have to go. Like, if you could hold it in, all right, props to you. But, like, when you get older, you're not gonna be able to do that anymore. When you're a baby, you don't know how to do that. But yeah, spray. I'm gonna eat my hand. Spray, clean, and then most toilet seats, okay, I'm the toilet seat, right? So you'll see the seat like this, and this opening right here in the front. I always take a whole bunch of tissue and I put it right on top. Okay, and then I use the paper for the toilet to sit on top of you line it up on top of the toilet, and then you sit on it, right? I don't necessarily like sit all the way, but I'm short, and a lot of the public toilets are pretty high, so I try not to touch, but most of the time I'm touching, and I'd rather touch the paper. Excuse me. I'd rather touch the paper than touch the actual toilet seat, even though I cleaned it. Okay? Oh, and I also always keep perfume with me as well. And when I'm done, I clean again. It just matters, you guys. Yeah, it takes some time, but you know what? Your health first. Your health first, you guys. Whoever said that they make a mess and don't clean it up, y'all is nasty. Y'all's nasty. No, child. No. No. Cucumber. But yeah, how was everyone's Thanksgiving though? Mine was fun. Tell y'all the truth. I said it in the videos that's gonna be posted after this, but I'm gonna say it again before I post that one. Anyways, I gained 2 pounds from eating Thanksgiving food, which most likely I'm gonna gain 2 pounds from this food. But then that was Thanksgiving Day, Thursday. Yesterday, Friday, I ate healthy. I exercised. And it looked like I lost 1 pound. So I lost, I only gained 1 pound. But today, since I'm home and I'm chilling and then I'm eating this now, most likely I'm going to gain 2 pounds. But it's okay because I'm going to the gym tomorrow and I'm going to make sure that I eat healthy again. You know, life is all about balance. You got to just enjoy. Plus, I wanted to get this video out to you guys. The difference is, from Thanksgiving, was that I ate a lot more than this. So, right here, you know what I'm eating right now. But, on Thanksgiving, it was this, plus, we have Benny, what we have? Gravy, which I don't have gravy here. I don't have Benny here. Desserts, brownies, cake, cake pop, cheesecake, chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah. What else? I'm trying to think what else I have that's not on this plate. Oh, bok choy. Actually, all the foods that I ate on Thursday, I just posted it on my Instagram, on one of them. It's on Mary Rose TV Insta Stories. So definitely go follow me there. Like my pictures. I don't have that much posts. I don't have that many followers there, but I'm definitely growing it. I ate a black pepper. These things. Yep, swallowed it. You guys can also follow me on my Instagram, my other Instagram, RoseBudz 417. Everything will be down below. that IG is definitely growing. Before I let you guys go, definitely wanted to bring this up. If you guys are working a business on your Instagram, if y'all know what I'm talking about, definitely comment below. Let me know what is the best unfollowers app for Instagram. Now, if you don't know what that is, basically it's an app that shows you your followers, your unfollowers, the people who follow you, the people who don't follow you anymore, right? No, I don't know. The people who don't follow you that you follow. And then I think like people who just recently followed you, or people who just recently unfollowed you. Basically, like, you can use that app to grow your business. I can't really explain it. But I think you could YouTube it. You definitely can YouTube that video. But for those who do know what I'm talking about, what app do you use? Either on an Android or for an iPad. Because the ones that I've been using, like, blocked me, kicked me out, because I was doing exactly what the app does. And then I'm checking out all the reviews, and people are getting hacked and stuff. Like, nah. Now, I asked my boyfriend if he can create an app like that. So we'll see. We'll see what he can do, because he's a tech, you know. I hope he can. I definitely recommend him to everybody. And an app that works. An app that doesn't block me. An app that doesn't hack. An app that does what it's supposed to do. Turkey bone. Has so much flavor. Okay, you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Go follow me on Instagram, both Instagram. You can comment over there. You can send me DMs over there. I will reply. And if you want to comment down below also, I will definitely reply. I appreciate you all so much. Don't forget, the coldest water, Black Friday was yesterday and the sale is still going on, so click the link also. If you don't want to purchase, we also have what is it called, like a giveaway type of thing that they have going on right now. So all you need to do is fill up the form and you have a chance in winning a bottle. So love you guys. Bye.